What's going on, guys? So let's do a little chart recap video. The stock that we're going to be covering today is going to be Robinhood, HOOD. But before we get into the video, please, if you could like this video, also hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to grow my channel to 300 subscribers before the end of the month. That would help me out tremendously. Also, I do have a Discord that's going to be in the description box below, as well as a website showing you guys kind of how I trade. That's also in the description box. So putting everything aside, whether you hate Robinhood, you love Robinhood, you use Robinhood, you don't, whether you cancel them or not, we're talking about trading here. We're not talking about, the bar room talk. We're not talking about, what you think about the CEO, this, that, and the other. We're talking about trading here. So getting into the chart, the breakout today came off the first candles open. Given that the triple Qs, the SPY, we kind of opened up red where we had 1.5 consecutive hours of selling, and then followed by that big bounce. The bulls bought it up. However, if we look here at the chart on Robinhood, we can see here right out of the gates, I am in Pacific Standard Time, so my times will be a little bit different from yours depending on where you're at. 6 o'clock in the morning here, we get that first half hour close. Obviously the market opens at 6:30. By 7 o'clock, that first hour candle is going to be closed. If you were looking to trade that break on the high of day, that move would have come at $40, almost even, 40.04, 40.05. You can see here we didn't have any supply until about 41.83, but obviously once we broke through that, we came up, tried to test this next area of supply here was 45.72. Came back down, back tested the Bollinger Band here, got a nice pop off of it. There was also going to be a second entry here over 45 to get long. That first candle spiked into the 48.59 area, came back tested the 5-day moving average, and then got that nice bounce with the spike into 51.65. Stock closed at $46.80. $9.12 on the day, 24%. Currently in the after hours, it is at $50.24. So what are we looking for going into tomorrow? I do not want to buy this here unless the market opens flat, okay? Unless the market opens flat or down. If we, or up. If the market opens down, I want to buy this on a bounce. So what I'm thinking for here is this rising support at around $46. If we can get this stock anywhere between $44, $47, we get this nice clean bounce here. This is potential an area to add for the next leg up here. However, if the markets open near the top, so pre-market, things are running high. Let's say that's opening up close to $51 or above $51. What we're going to want to use is the pre-market highs. That's going to be our entry point. However, we're going to have to play that very, very safe, as they can pull the market at any time. It can go up 10, 15, 20 minutes and then come back in on you $4, $5, $6. So when a stock does break out this violently, we do want to, it's better to buy it on the dip. Okay. Better to buy it on the dip and sell on the rip than try to buy the rip. That's what I'm looking for here on Robinhood. Amazing move. Let's see if we can get a day 2 continuation on the stock. RSI is showing that we are over bought right now. So we got to see, do we come back in, test a little bit of these support levels? We have support at 48. We have supported this 46, and we've got some solid support at 43. Even 43 might be a good area to bounce this stock, just depending on where the markets open up. So don't get carried away. Don't get FOMO. Don't feel like you missed the whole move. If the stock is going to move, it's going to come back in. It's going to test support, or it's going to be at the top of the range and then break those pre-market highs. Don't get caught in the middle of the channel. Like, you don't want to buy in here because this next candle could have closed down here. You don't want to buy up here because tomorrow we could back test and be down here. Even if we come all the way down to this 43, 44 area, that would be a good rest for the stock, and the stock would still be strong. Okay. So a lot of times people buy up here on the day 2. We end up closing down here, and then everybody's mad, mumbling and grumbling, saying that, the stock sucks, this, that, and the other. It's not that. You just had a bad entry. You need to play the, you need to play the levels right. Technical analysis is here for us to use. You got to use it. But until next time, guys, I will see you guys all in the next video. Smash that like button, please. Smash it, smash it, smash it.